they don't want the person to remember anything because they don't want to interfere with your normal life. They want you to continue on your life because they are really the observers, they're the watchers. But they said they have no control over the way the chemistry of the brain is working now. The pollutants in the air, the additives to the food, if you are on any kind of alcohol, if you're taking any kind of drugs, recreational or medicinal, all of these interfere with the chemistry of the brain. So if the person has an experience, they will remember it distorted through the chemistry of the brain. And they will remember it with the fear and horror that really is not there, because this is the way the human mind works. And it's remembering it through these chemical imbalances that are happening in our brain.